All right, folks. Brother Sherry is home today. I'm here. I'm in Johnstown, and this is my home. I'm so proud. I'm so excited. As you see my home road, the road have been paved. Almost 2 weeks ago, as I was leaving from here, the road was not like this. So this road is going to Vonjama as far as to Morovia. All right, and this one here going is going as far as Kolahun, Foya, and going to Sierra Leone. You can also go to Guinea by using this road. Yeah. All right. I live right back here. There's our home, our house. So the woman that got 16 wounds on her legs, she got a cut right on her legs. So I'm not going to her house. She lives at the edge of the town. So I'm not going there. I'm thinking whether I'll be able to meet her to the house there. But folks, the person that actually sending this gift is Brother John Kai Jr. and Mother Nani, along with brother, Didi, what's up? How do you do? How are you, brother? How you coming on? How's life? I learned that you're in Morovia.
Yeah.
How is it?
All right.
When you came?
I came on Thursday.
Oh, they go on Thursday. Yeah. So how's the road condition?
The road condition is all right.
Okay, it's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, the
woman working, right?
Oh, yeah.
All right, folks. That's my brother. Yeah. That's my brother. He's also called Didi. Okay. Yeah. So my audience are not watching you. You know.
No problem.
All right. So that's it. So this gift is from Brother John Kai Jr. and Mother Nani, and also from Brother Paul Murphy and his wife. So, and Brother John Kai Jr. sent $25 for the old lady who have cut on her legs through cutlass, and Brother Paul Murphy also added $10 to it. So now I'm checking to the house there to see what I should do. So let's go. Just stay tuned and watch this video, and then I'll see how this is going to be like, whether I'll be able to meet her there or not. Wow. All right, I checked into Uma Jatu area there.
All right.
I don't know whether she's there.
Yeah, the Uma there.
She there, right?
Yeah, Papa there.
Okay, folks. So I'm kind of asking whether she's home there right now. So I'm checking to see whether she's there. Wow. So folks, this is my village. So welcome to Brother Sherry YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, folks, and consider subscribing. This is Brother Sherry. All right. So let's see her. I want to check there to see what she's there. Vera, how you doing? How you coming on? Fine.
Why are you on?
I checking to somebody here. Yeah.
A few of the jam?
Yeah, I want to show my village to my people, my family.
Okay, do that, then later on you should come to my house.
I don't feel.
How you doing?
Not bad. Not bad. How come here?
Mother died.
Yeah, you told me this one time.
Okay.
Yeah, so I will still come to you, sympathize with you, yeah? Yeah, that's Dev. Yeah, folks, you know, they are our older brothers. Yeah. So I come here. So I'm checking there. So the person that actually supposed to give the injection, I will ask whether she's taking some injection and will be coming right here. So the fellow will get the injection, live somewhere here. So yeah, I come here. At least thank you for your body. Yeah. I come here. Our folks so if you're not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly consider subscribing. This is Brother Sherry Village. Johnstown. Welcome to Johnstown. I know some of these days somebody will say, but I want to visit Brother Sherry to Johnstown, and I'll be so happy to receive you if you are to visit me to Johnstown. My village is very, very big, so when you check up there, going up there, yeah, there are a lot of houses back there. How are you, Oma? Folks, so there's the Oma here, so she don't know that I'm a visitor to her today. Girl. Huh? No more yawana. Yaki. Glasu. Sorry, yeah? Alright, folks, so I'm with the Oma. How are you? How you doing? Sorry, I interrupt you, right? Yeah, sorry. Are you seeing the pin? But you have taken injection on it? No injection. But this one now, how many weeks now since it happened?
Yeah, I got off forever.
Dove Vinegar. But folks, Dove Vinegar is 2 weeks. You know, she don't speak English. So Dove Vinegar is 2 weeks, period. And I think, to my understanding, TNT injection, which is tetanus injection, after a week or two, I don't think somebody can take tetanus injection. But we need your advice. If you can tell us what to do, then we actually appreciate that. All right, but I interviewed some medical practitioners in Vonjama, and they told me that I wanted to buy the injection, the tetanus injection. All right, but they told me that how long you have taken since she sustained a wound on her legs. Yeah, this is cutler mark. Yeah, cutler, this is cutler mark. So I told them that, well, I will get there. If I ask her, then if she show me the time frame, then I will know what to do. All right. Please, we do some recording, man. Yeah, I beg you, yeah? We do some recording. Yeah? Yeah. So, and now it's more than 2 weeks. You want to bra cover error? You not go there? So I think we'll go there, we'll ask bra cover to see whether any other medication require. We can do that. All right. So this one time when I was passing from the swamp, I passed here, I saw you, and I told you I was going to come back. But due to some conditions, I'm not turn up. All right. This brother John Kai Jr. and his wife, Nani, brother Nani, and that of brother Paul, and that of, along with brother Paul's wife. All right. They saw my video, so they saw the video. We became family through my lens, through this camera. We became family. They said, "Oh, brother Sharif, like your home there?" I said, "Yeah, that's my home." "Oh, the woman with the wound, and she coming on?" I said, "Yes, she's trying." "That's Scotland Mark." I said, "Yeah, that's Scotland Mark." You understand? So they said, "Okay, go to her, and then make sure she get the medication. She get the required medication." All right. So we're sending you $25. Brother John Kai Jr. and Mother Nani, his wife, they sent $25 to you. All right. And brother Paul, along with his wife, also added $10. So the total sum you should be receiving now is $35. You understand? So I'll get it $35. Then it will go right there, and then medication now, if you subtract from there, then the balance, you take that, it will start from there. Yeah? All right. So please hold the camera for me.
Thank you. Yeah.
All right, folks. So as I erase like so now. So $5 is 900. One, two, three, four. So this is $25. This is $20. Then this is $5. So this money is from brother John Kai, brother John Kai Jr. And his wife for medication. For medication.
Thank you. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Okay, now the woman, the Loma she's speaking is like she's appreciating me, you know, appreciating me that, oh, brother Sharif, you are the one, through you are getting this. May God bless you, may God reward you. And myself, in my capacity, appreciating you, brother John Kai, and Mother Nani, I'm also appreciating you guys. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Okay, for giving back to the community. This is what we can do. This is the only thing as human being we should be doing. All right, what you do today, that lay after you. So taking care of people like this, I know, but it will be fine. Yeah, God will reward you. So that's from the family. That's family, right? Okay. So this one is also from Brother Paul. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is $10 value, right? This is $10. So this $10 value is also from Brother Paul Murphy. Paul Murphy. Paul Murphy sent this for medication. You understand? So this one is from Brother John Kai. Uga. Folks, whenever you say Uga, meaning you understand? Okay, so that's the Loma language. I don't go too deep into Loma. Yeah. So and she don't speak English. So otherwise, she's actually willing to appreciate however it is. She will appreciate you guys in Loma language, and someone will be here to interpret it to people. All right. So this is from Paul Murphy. Okay, they all plan to visit me in Johnstown. May God give her that day. May God give her that day. One of these days, you'll see all those are taking care. You'll see them impressing. Oh yeah, so you were the one that did this for me. Oh, you were the one that did this for me that year. So may God give her that time to come. So this is from Paul Murphy, $10 value, 1,900 Liberty.
Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you. Well, back me, Paul. Thank you, yeah, Paul. What?
John Kai.
John Kai. Thank you, yeah, very much. Thank you. God is happy. Yeah.
Amen.
That you can go happy. Yeah. Thank you, yeah.
Thank you.
I see. The money you give that my brother, I see ya. Thank you, ya.
May God bless you. Okay.
God bless you, ya.
Thank you so much, Nas family. Thank you. You know, we are so proud, and we will be so proud also to receive family like this in the village here. Yeah, this is a village, and I'm a proud son of Johnstown. Yeah. I feel so comfortable. I feel so relaxed when I'm here. Honestly. Yeah. I don't feel good anywhere else. Folks, you can invite me anywhere. Yeah, I go. And I'll come back to Johnstown. I will be here. Yeah. But the only problem of my village is that the reason I don't base here is because of the internet service. Yeah, if I have the internet service here, definitely I will not go out of this place. I will be here. But staying out of this place is because when I remain connected to the internet, I can get access to the family. Like you people, I don't get access to you. So I'm out of coverage. We got network here, but the network is not upgraded. All right, so thank you so much. So what we'll do now, we'll go to cover area. We'll ask cover to see whether we can get medication there. The kind of medication required for your food. Then we'll start from there also. Yeah, because as you can see, it's shorting up, right? Pin inside. Small pin inside,
Yeah, so give me more medicine. I put it there.
They give medicine, they put it to the soul. But you know what? Tetanus injection. Since you know the injection on it.
No, I so say, I go Masada, I buy medicine. This is medicine.
They bring medicine here.
I bring it for me. I bring it. So I will give you money. So go buy it.
Oh, you give money again. Well, that's when you buy the first one. He brought it. Then now you're getting money again to go buy it. Okay. So so that means that we should not go to cover area.
Yeah.
We should leave it so.
Yeah, all right, small.
You all right, small. You are pump, right? So your advice now, we should not go to cover. We should stay. You give money to lasso instead. All right. Wow, that's another graduate.
Oh, I said.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Yeah, we're proud of you. Thank you so much.
Guys, all day.
Thank you. Yeah. Which school? Which school? Yes, sir. William A. Brown. Thank you so much. Yeah. Thank you. All right, folks. So we appreciate everything. Thank you. The woman received it, and she said that there's a boy here that can always go to Guinea. Yeah. So the boy brought medication for her. She placed it there on the sole, and now actually it's improving, as you can see, according to her. So it's improving. So now, and she has not taken injection. She has not taken no injection. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. Yeah, I'm not a doctor. So kindly leave that in the comment section. Yeah, kindly advise on what to do. We actually love your advice. We would love to hear from you. Also, that's what she has suggested, that she will give money to the boy Lasso to go Guinea, because we are very close to Guinea here. Folks, we got 2 entries here. This place, another path road here going Guinea, another one here going Guinea. Yeah, I can tell that for sure. So, but I is very close to Guinea. I was here, that's another story. I was here when the war sparked up. We followed this path here. There's a back road here. It was gone. So that happened. That was that day story. So that's gone. So thank you so much.
Thank you, yeah.
Yeah, kid.
Go happy, yeah. Thank you very much. I see ya.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you very much. Yeah.